Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this tutorial video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to log into Webull application using your mobile device. First of all, launch open the Webull application on your smartphone like you would normally do. You will then end up in the login page. You can choose the phone login or email login option according to your preference at the top. Now, enter your email address or phone number in the text box appearing on the screen and then tap on the next button. On the next page, you'll be asked to enter your Webull password. If you don't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow through the password reset process for Webull. If you know your credential, type it down in the text box correctly. Finally, once typing in the password, click on Next and you will be able to sign in or log into your Webull account using the Webull application on your mobile device. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, then you'll need to enter the verification code from SMS, email, or your authentication app in order to land on your account's dashboard. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.